You've been hearing good things about Erie Insurance, maybe from your neighbors or from some family members, and you've been thinking, now how do I get an Erie Insurance auto quote? Today, I'm going to help you figure that out. I'm Matt Terman with Susquehanna Insurance. We are an independent agent that represents Erie Insurance, one of the companies we write with. And today I'm going to help you figure out how to get an Erie Insurance auto quote. The first step is to find an agent. Erie does not write directly to consumers, kind of like a Geico, a Progressive, companies like that you can go online, type in your information, and then get an actual policy directly from them. Erie Insurance writes through agents. So that's the only way that you can get an Erie Insurance auto quote and policy is by going to one of their agents. Not everybody works with Erie Insurance. They appoint only select agencies. And so do a little bit of research and figure out what agencies around you are reputable, have great reviews, have good customer care, and represent Erie Insurance. So the first step is find an insurance agency that actually represents Erie Insurance. The second thing, which is kind of straightforward, is just reach out to them, whether that's stopping in and setting a time to meet with an agent or calling them or even emailing them and letting them know that you'd like an Erie Insurance auto quote. Now, when you set up your appointment with your Erie agent, some of the information you're going to want to have with you are copies of your current policies. That's super helpful for us as the agent. That way we can work down through coverages that you currently have on your auto policy. What are your liability limits? What are your deductibles? What are your first party benefits? What tort option do you have in Pennsylvania? What underinsured, uninsured? I mean, all the different things that you could have on an insurance policy. Generally speaking, most people don't know. And so if you can bring in a copy of your current policy, that helps us a lot in quoting apples to apples and even offering some suggestions or ways to improve your coverage. So that's the first thing. Second is all of your personal info and kind of like your backstory. So that would include your full name and the full names of all the drivers in your house. So it's your spouse, any children above the age of 16 that have their license. Birthdays, driver's license numbers are also things that you'll need in order to get an Erie Insurance auto quote. Also, part of your history, you want to know what's your driving record like? Do you have any speeding tickets? Do you have any accidents? How much do you drive? Do you have to drive all the way to Philadelphia every day for work? Or do you work from home and only drive on occasion? Maybe you have a company car that you are provided and you only drive your car on the weekends for fun. Those are all the information you want to come ready to discuss with your Erie Insurance agent, because all of that goes into what actually makes the policy and the premium. And so the more information you bring and give to us, the better it is for everybody and can help you get a quote quick and easy and out the door. Once you provided all that data to the Erie Insurance agent, they should be able to tell you if you qualify for a quote and then provide that quote for you for an Erie Insurance auto policy. And there you go. You can shop that around for different companies and see how the rate compares. Or if you like that agent, you can go with them and get an Erie Insurance auto policy. Even better. So yeah, that's the way to find an Erie Insurance auto quote. Find a good, reputable agent near you. Bring in all your information. Let the agent dissect it. Provide some value by letting you know what coverages you should have. Recommend some things. Maybe lower some things. And go from there to get an awesome Erie Insurance quote. If you'd like an Erie Insurance auto quote, like I said, we are an Erie Insurance agent. You can feel free to stop in anytime. We have an office in Lancaster and Lidditz. Our number also is 717-290-7780. Call us anytime between the hours of 8 and 4:30. We have dedicated agents ready to help you get an Erie Insurance auto quote. Thanks, and see you next time.